So we're going to be making pretzel-crusted chicken tenders today. This is a recipe I kind of just came up with on my own. I have no idea, it just kind of came about. So I use the honey wheat twisted pretzels. You're going to put them into like a zip bag. And then with a mallet, you're going to see, it's like breadcrumbs, but there's still some bigger chunks in there. So that's what you're looking for. But you're going to put this on a plate. Okay. Then our first plate is going to have some flour on it. So probably about a half a cup of flour. And then you're just going to season that with salt and pepper, a fair amount. This has salt and pepper all in one. So, and just kind of mix that around. So we're also going to put our our stove on, so probably like medium, like 4 or 5. Into the eggs, we're going to mix in teaspoons, just about a teaspoonish of Dijon mustard. Yeah, okay, that's good. And then your chicken tenders. I like Bell & Evans chicken tenders. I like their chicken anyway because I feel like it's like natural, all like normal chicken and not just freakishly large pieces of chicken. So then you're just going to dip. You get your flour, egg, pretzel crumbs, and then putting them on this plate. This is a very messy step here, but so you just take it, do a couple at a time.
Wash the chicken.
Nope, you don't wash chicken. They say not to do that. It's spreads, I don't know, salmonella or something. So dip it in there, and then crust. And I push it down so that the pretzel crumbs will stick to it. So now all your chicken tenders are coated with the pretzel crumbs, and we had to do a couple with panko. And you're gonna put, I use olive oil, and you're gonna put a fair amount in here, probably close to a cup. And wait till like that looks like it's ready. And they brown pretty quickly, but they're not going to be cooked all the way through because they'll, I like to put them in the oven for another like 20 minutes after you've done this, just to make sure that they're fully cooked through, because this cooks pretty quick. See, it gets browned pretty quick. You just got to keep a close eye on it because it goes from like not brown to burnt in no time at all. Okay, so now we're ready to put these in the oven for about 20 minutes at 300 degrees just to completely cook them through. Okay, let's give it a try. Dip. Nice and crunchy. Yum.